What up, guys? We have made it safely to our RV resort here in the middle of the state, all bunkered in. It is raining right now, just started to rain, just got everything. I got to do water still, but it is starting to pour, and here comes the rain right now. There's the Outer Banks right there, guys, coming in. Oh boy, here we go. The rain has started. This is the first rainstorm right here, coming in hard. Oh man, I'm gonna go ahead and put this out a little bit so I don't get wet. With the door open. But yeah, got a little bit of wind here. I'm right on the corner, so I'm really hoping the wind does not pick us up and push us over. I was hoping to get like a spot in between these mobile homes, but I'm right at the end, guys. So fingers crossed on this one. The Outer Bands, Nick is at work. She just called me, said it is very bad in Bradenton right now. And these are the Outer Bands coming in right now. So, what up, guys? What's going on? All right, make sure we are level. Okay, it's not shaking too bad. We are good. Let me see. It does. Yeah, it feels like we're level, guys. That's a good thing. Got the air piping. It's hot as heck, especially after doing all the setup. Well, it's normally an hour and 15 minutes, but I forgot I had a trailer, so it took me about 2 hours to get here. But I got here, and I just got done putting up or setting up everything, and then it started to rain just when I turned on the camera because I wanted to show the camp spot, and then I wanted to show you guys the Outer Bands, and that's the Outer Bands. I told Nick to go ahead and take some video at her work, so hopefully she can send them my way for you guys. So this is just the beginning. So yep, it slowed down the rainfall so I can give you guys, okay, you got some people coming in. That's good. Yeah, they have a lot of spots here. I'll let you guys know what this place is called when I get the information and see what's happening. I'm on Circle Ridge right here, Circle Ridge, with a nice little light pole. All right, it looks level. So I'm gonna have to hook up the pooper scooper. But what I'm gonna do right now is fill the tanks up, because what I heard was you gotta fill the tanks, because when you fill the tanks, it weighs the trailer down. So we're gonna go ahead and fill the tanks with water. The pooper scooper is not filled, but eventually it most likely will. But we got 2 nights here for now, and then what's so cool is when I checked in, I told them where I was working. They're like, oh man, we need help here too. I said, oh man, if you weren't so darn far away. They charge here $550 a month plus electric, so out the door about $700. But maybe I can get a job here. That would be cool. Nick would just have to drive her butt to work. But you know, things happen. Things always come into play, or will fall into place, I should say. You know, he has a plan for us, all of us. So yeah, like this right here, it's getting so expensive. They're selling their spots. You know what I mean? So Just have to get the prices right. And that's just what you have to do to get it going, you know. But gotta weigh it down, gotta make sure that everything is kosher, because we're gonna get that them outer bands, and when those outer bands come around, we have to be ready. So we're gonna go ahead and fill her up. And what's so great about this, I love this thing, we already got 2 gallons in, so it definitely helps to keep track of how many gallons we put in here. This thing holds up to 36 gallons, but I'm only gonna put in 30 gallons. Man, the rain has went by us like that. A little bit, I'm gonna say about 12-mile-an-hour winds right now. Gust at like, the gust is maybe like 15, 20. The storm won't be coming in until around this area later on tonight. So yeah, we're gonna have to fill this up. Gotta fill it up, weigh it down. Other thing, ain't no think about it, ain't no problem, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's definitely gonna be a very bumpy ride tonight. Hopefully Nick's gonna be safe and be good. How you doing? Huh? Yeah, exactly. It's good. We're at 5 gallons now. There's more leakage right now. I love backing up.
Yeah, especially without a camera.
Oh, you got to get one, man. Lifesaver. Yeah, not having a backup camera. If we didn't have a backup camera, it would be very difficult to back these things up. So I would highly recommend getting a backup camera for your rigs. It's your third eye. You're good, you're good, you're good. And then pull it straight out. Yep. We're at 8 gallons now. We'll be here all day, guys. Now, I got a new filter that I got to put on. Those little blue filters last about 1 month, depending on how bad their systems or their water. We've been to a place that our filter only lasted 1 week due to how bad the water was at the place. I wish I could just tape this and walk away and go get things taken care of. And now we'll go ahead and put the filter on. Start that over. Like I said, that was to weigh it down. This is just going to give us water constantly, so we don't have to use the village pump. And we're at 40 psi. Good to go. So yeah, guys, basically the wind has picked up a little bit. Let me show you. We are about 2 hours away from the watering coast. You can see the outskirts. So yeah, this is the outer bands, guys. We are getting maybe about 20-mile-an-hour winds as of right now of the gust, and we're pushing about 10 to 15 miles an hour winds. There's the outer bands. I'm on the phone with Nick. She just basically captured at her job. It's very bad over there right now. So she got the footage. So can't wait till she gets back here safely so we can get those videos up for you guys. And we'll be going live tonight. Big plans in effect, depending on what happens and if you guys are in for it. So, yep, got some lightning right there. Just caught me some lightning. I don't know if you guys saw it. It was past that palm tree. But hey, this was a video. We are all set. We are all set. Ready to go. We are bunkered down. I know I'm going to add some reinsurance things for the trailer, so it'll help it not tip all the way over. But yeah, we're gonna, hopefully Nick can get here safely, and we'll go live tonight, start talking about things. If the storm comes through, you guys will be live, and we'll watch the storm together live, and then we'll go on from there. So see you guys on the live tonight. Oh wow, got a massive rainstorm over there. So it looks like the outer bands are even out to the east coast over there. Oh man, and here is the worst. South. That's the south of us. Coming this way. I gotta do laundry. I gotta get all that, take a shower, get everything up in par. They're down there still working, getting things done before the storm comes. But man, look at that right there, guys. That's coming right now, so I gotta get going. But I wanted to share it with you before it gets real bad. And like I said, we're gonna go live tonight, bring you guys some live coverage, and we'll talk about things in the game plan, what our thoughts of what we want to do, and see if you guys are on board with us. So it's up to you guys. If you guys are ready, let's go. Right here at White House Adventures. See you guys on the live. Hopefully we don't sink or anything that goes bad. We are on a hill right here, so the water will go down. But the downfall on that is I'm scared that we are a corner lot. That's why you can see I parked this way. The wind is going to be blowing this way, so hopefully everything is okay. I did lock our tires, so it's not going to roll. Man, it's, oh my gosh, holy cow, it is, holy smokes, and the wind is coming. We got a lot of tornadoes also out here. Tornadoes are bad out in the middle of nowhere. Tornadoes are bad. So fingers crossed, guys. We are in a mobile home park. So, oh man, fingers crossed. All right, so I came down here by the office to jump in the shower and try to find the laundry room. But the storm is coming closer and closer. That wall right there, that wall, palm trees are moving. It's about to pour, guys. So I gotta get, here it is, slowly taking over. Slowly taking over, look at that. Let me get the clothes out real quick. So at least the clothes are up here under the pavilion, because it is going to downfall. Hopefully the laundry's right around here somewhere. Man, here it comes. Go ahead, lock the door. Yep, here it comes, guys. Here comes the first van out here, and the wind is taking a toll. Yep, here goes the wind. All right, guys, pray for us. This is the first band of this storm, and here comes the rain. Let me get under here real quick. Hopefully I can find a laundry mat. But yeah, it's raining right now as we speak. Son of a gun. But hey, more videos to come. I just want to get this video out to let you guys know what's happening, what's going on, where we're at. The sirens are about to go. Here you hear them in the distance. Things are about to pop off here out in the middle of nowhere. So that means the band is pretty far spread out. And actually the hurricane is still off in the Gulf. And here, yep. There's that wind right there. Oh, smack. Man, I'm really hoping that trailer is good, man. Damn it. Sorry, guys. But it's a pretty bad wind right here. Man. Well, at least we're away from I might have to hook up the trailer to the truck. I should have did that. All right, looks like they're closed. So darn it. Please, Lord, don't tip that trailer. I mean, it does weigh 6,000 pounds. Just really hoping it does not. Oh my gosh. That's about 45-mile-an-hour gusts right there, guys. And we haven't even got to the storm yet. Man, this is not good. This is not good. And I thought coming out this far would have helped. But actually, doesn't look like it's gonna help. Well, at least the wind is blowing this way and the trailer is pointed that way. So that's good. Oh man. Now let me go this way real quick. Oh man. But coming through here is a good little wind tunnel. Oh, here's our clothes. Oh man, hope they didn't get wet. Okay, this is not the laundry. So I don't know where the laundry is. Maybe here? Nope. It's locked. Hopefully they have laundry here on the facility. But guys, this is blinking crazy. I'm blinking soaking wet. I really hope and pray that the trailer stays put. And like with this trailer right here, guys, that has a motor and it's sort of like a car. Our is a trailer, you know, so I'm really hoping that it stays. 6,500 pounds, it should stay, but when the wing gets under it, could lift it up. Fingers crossed, guys. I'll keep bringing you guys good footages. Hopefully things don't turn out bad, but if it does, I'll bring it to you. Man. And this is just the first ring, guys. This is the first ring, and I'm 2 hours in the middle of the state of Florida. Unbelievable. Alright guys, this video is gonna go up. This video is gonna go up, guys, and then I'm gonna bring you alive tonight. God bless you guys. See you